Hello once again and a very good morning to each one of you who are watching this video at this moment. Today we will be continuing Unit 6, Go Green, and focus skill for this lesson is reading. Okay, we will be reading a passage from your textbook, page 54. And as usual, you are learning English with me, your English teacher, Teacher Lily. Learning standard for this lesson is 2.2.2, able to read and understand phrases and sentences from a linear text. And learning objectives are, by the end of the lesson, people should be able to, number one, answer comprehension questions based on the passage read, and number two, find and write the meaning of words involved in the passage. This article is taken from your textbooks, page 54, Saving Our Environment. Let us read together. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I'm Mr. Tan, the advisor to the Junior Environment Club. I'm here to talk about how young people like you can save our Mother Earth. First, switch off and unplug all electrical gadgets when not in use. If we do not switch off televisions, computers, laptops, or telephone chargers, they would still consume electricity. Therefore, switch off and unplug the gadgets to save on power consumptions. Next, switch to energy efficient lights. Fluorescent or LED light bulbs last longer and use less electricity than conventional bulbs. So, switch to energy efficient lights because they are long lasting and economical. You can also collect rainwater. You can use it to water plants, clean drains, and porches. Thus, collecting rainwater helps to conserve water and save on water bills. Last but not least, please avoid using disposable items. Plastic cups, bags, and containers take a minimum of 20 years to decompose. You can use your own bags or refuse to accept plastic bags when shopping. Hence, you can reduce the amount of waste going into landfills. To conclude, I will hope you as the next generation would protect and save our Mother Earth. I would like to end my speech by saying, keep the future bright, turn off the light. Thank you. So, class, this is a speech by Mr. Tan, the advisor of the Junior Environment Club. Okay, he is telling us about how we can save our Mother Earth. First, he said, switch off or unplug all the electrical appliances when not in use. Electrical appliances means televisions, computers, laptops, or telephone chargers. Because if we do not switch it off, it will still consume electricity. After that, he said, if can, we switch to energy efficient light, such as fluorescent or LED light bulbs. Do not use the conventional bulbs. Do you know what is the conventional bulb mean? The bulb that is long like this that you can always see inside your classroom. That is called conventional bulbs. So avoid using conventional bulbs and change it to the fluorescent or LED bulbs. Because it is less energy efficient lights and long lasting. Okay. He also said that you can collect rainwater to help conserve water and save the water bills. Then rainwater that you collect may be used to water the plants, clean the drains, or clean your car porches. And lastly, he said avoid using disposable items such as plastic cups, containers, bags, polystyrene, and things that take a minimum of 20 years to decompose. Okay, when you go shopping, you can take your own shopping bag with you. So, when you use disposable item, it may land in the landfill and would not be decompose later on. So avoid using the disposable item very much. Okay, so I hope you understand this passage. And then now, let us move to our next task. That is exercise. Okay, answer the question. Okay, look at question number 1. What is the speech about? Okay, here I already put this for you. The speech is about what? Normally, the first question go to the first paragraph. So, he said here, good morning, how are you? I'm Mr. Tan, and here I'm here to talk about how young people like you can save our Mother Earth. So the speech is about how to save our Mother Earth. Yes, that's correct. And number 2, state 3 ways to save our environment. What are the 3 ways to save our environment? Okay, you do it like this. 3 ways to save our environment. First, you look at the keyword first. Here it is. First, switch off and unplug all electrical gadgets when not in use. Next, okay, find the keyword next. Where is it? Okay, here. Next, switch to energy efficient lights. Last but not least, where is last but not least? Here. Last but not least, please avoid using disposable items. Easy, right? Okay, number 3. What happens if we do not switch off or unplug our electrical appliances? I told you just now, electrical appliances means electrical gadgets such as laptops, mobile phones, telephone chargers, television, computers, and so on. So, what happens if you do not switch off it? Okay, so if we do not switch off or what? Or unplug our electrical appliances, what happens? You find the answer here. Alright, next one. Fluorescent or no. What is the difference between fluorescent and conventional light bulbs? Okay, fluorescent or LED bulbs means what? So you go for the here. Fluorescent or LED bulbs, light bulbs, last longer and use less electricity than conventional bulbs. Meaning that conventional bulbs use more electricity than fluorescent or LED light bulbs. And number 5, how do we conserve water? How do we conserve water? One way to help conserve water is by what? Collect what? So you can find it here. Alright, it's easy. So you do this on your exercise books later. And then your next task is exercise 2. Find the meaning of words involved in the dictionary. Okay, number 1, consume. Number 2, efficient. Number 3, conventional. Number 4, disposable. And number 5, decompose. You can find it here in the passage itself. Alright? First one, consume, efficient, conserve, disposable, and decompose. Okay, you find the meaning, you write the words, and you put the meaning here. Consume. What does consume means? If you do not know how to write in English, I accept it if you write in Bahasa Melayu also. Alright? As long as the meaning is correct. So, you can write the meaning in Bahasa Melayu. As long as you know what is the meaning and the answer is correct, I will accept it. Alright? So, you have 2 exercises. Exercise 1 and exercise 2. Do both these exercise in your exercise book later on and send it to the school for me to check later on. Alright? So, I guess that is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my Teacher Lily YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video. And please stay home and stay safe, everyone. Alright? That is all. Bye.